Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best self-adhesive dots pack available. The 1000-piece set of strong self-adhesive dots by Hiisea. Whether you're looking for a reliable fastening solution for your classroom, office, or home projects, this product is designed to deliver both convenience and durability. This set includes 500 pairs of hook and loop dots, each measuring 0.59 inches in diameter. Made from high-quality nylon material with a hot melt adhesive backing, these dots offer a powerful grip that is both long-lasting and resistant to heat and water. This means you can trust them to stay put even in challenging environments. One of the standout features is their versatility. These adhesive dots stick well to a variety of clean and smooth surfaces such as paper, plastic, glass, leather, and metal. Whether you are organizing educational materials, crafting, or mounting lightweight objects, these dots make the task simple and efficient. Using them is straightforward. Just clean and dry the surfaces, peel off the dots from their paper backing. Apply the hook dot on one surface and the loop dot on the other, then press them together. The adhesive is strong enough to hold items securely but also allows for easy removal without leaving residue or damaging surfaces, making them reusable and environmentally friendly. Their compact size and convenient packaging save you time during use, and the strong adhesive ensures your projects stay intact. This product is ideal for teachers creating interactive learning tools, DIY enthusiasts looking for a quick fastening option, or anyone who wants a neat and durable way to secure items without nails or screws. In summary, the Hiisea self-adhesive dots offer an excellent combination of strength, ease of use, and adaptability. With 1,000 pieces in one pack, you have plenty to tackle multiple projects with confidence. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a practical, reliable, and versatile adhesive solution, this pack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.